Now, I have to find out who caught this snitch. In this lineup will the real Harry Potter. Please stand up. Oh shit. They all stood up. Now, you're a muggle. You can't be the real Harry Potter. You don't have a proper head. Professor Dumbledore, what are you doing here? You're not Harry Potter.
I just wanted to be loved.
Well, you're not Harry Potter, so that's fine. You don't have a head. You're an owl.
Ooh.
You also do not have a head. You are a pumpkin. You're on steroids.
I'm not on steroids. Let me compete.
You have far too good dress sense to be the real Harry Potter. We have the same suit. It's very sexy. You obviously have a problem because you are wearing too much pink. You look like that horrible woman who taught it last year. You have Ronald hair. You are not Harry Potter.
It's fetching though.
Well, at least you don't think you're a girl.
I am a girl!
Shut it. You are wearing a dress, so you also obviously think you're a girl.
But I like a nice breeze around my privates.
You have Slytherin hair. You have too much facial hair. And I don't like the look of you. You can't say anything. You are not the real Severus Snape. I am. What do you mean I'm not the real Severus Snape? You are an imposter. Take that, you imposter. Bad, nasty.
I can't take it anymore. I'm gonna jump.
No, don't do. Oh shit.